Uria matuko maratiroka noguo mwerekera wa mendekithia ma gucenjia watho kugerera riboti ya BBI urathie na mbere na gwikirirwo nganja kurumirira maundu maria mareyumiria. Githingithia kinene kiria kigumeire mutaratara wa gukinyaniria mendekithia maya matuike watho nikia ambunge kuiguithaniria na mugambo umwe kwaga kwaririria riboti ino angikorwo ministry ya kigina ndikurekereria kigina kia NGCDF.
It is between us and the people that we represent. And our asking for NGCDF funds, we are not asking for a favor from Ukuri Atani or anybody.
Let them give all the members with arrears who have no problems their money.
We can sort out this issue of CDF, we can agree on a way forward, then we bring this bill, we vote on it and we will pass unanimously, all of us, Mr. Speaker.
Gikiro-ini giki kia bunge no kuo mubango wa kugia na cikaro cia muingi cia guthomithia na kuha muingi unyite mendekithia maya baru irakoretwo igithie na mbere no kurumirira watho wa president wa kunina mishemanio ya muingi kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe cikaro icio itikwamba guthie na mbere.
Our work as senators and members of National Assembly is not to defend the bill but to interrogate further and to understand and get clarity from any Kenyan who comes what their views are.
Riri rikoretwo riri riciria ria President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga no na njira nene Odinga no ukoretwo ukioneka kurikua na uritu munene. Mbere ya kwanirira ati ari na murimu wa covid-19 Odinga ari gicwa-ini kwendia riboti ino no riu mubango ucio ambete kuwikira gatithio niguo ambe ahone ta uria ataritwo ni ndagitari thutha wa kurekererio kuma thibitari.
Wonderful. It's so nice to be back home.
Ari uthio wa mutaratara uyu kwaga gwake kwirigirirwo kuiguo na njira nene. No na hona kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe Raila atangithugunda njira ingi cia gukinyira muingi ndegukorwo na uhoti wa gutwarithia na mbere haria atigeire ni undu wa mukana wa kurugamia mishemanio yothe ya muingi. Oho riboti cia kwirikana ati ngeithi gatagati gake na President Uhuru Kenyatta ni ciambiriirie guthata ciahota gucungiriria mubango wa gukinyaniria mendekithia maya ugie na magesha kungikinyanira ati ni maremwo kwaria rumwe ta uria makoretwo kuma riria maniriire ni mekurutithania wira hamwe.
There should be no panic. We should avoid crying wolf anytime because this is like a marriage. And in a marriage, there will always be people who want to confuse or to convince spouses to go different ways.
Kamiti iria iratabarira mibango ya gukinyaniria mendekithia maya yugite itanyite president agekira mendekithia maya kirore matuike watho gugikinyiria mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu na uguo ni kuga ngero cia ikuhi ciagirire ni kurugwo na ihinda rinyihire mieri 3 niguo mubango wa gutiriha maundu mothe gatagati-ini ka mwaka uyu makinyanire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.